Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update here on Onyxcoin. Wanted to do a full update. I mean, I'm not sure whether all of you are still interested in daily updates on this. So let me know down in the comments. I personally do keep an eye on XCN, so I will definitely keep you updated when anything major happens. But ultimately, right now, in the last couple of days, basically since Saturday morning, not a lot of major developments have happened for Onyx, right? So my technical thoughts right now on Onyx are still exactly the same. So if you're done with that, let me know, and we'll just make like one video every other day. So one video per 2 days. So let me know. But for now, we're still going to do a full update. Not much has happened in the last 24 hours to XCN, like I said. We had one post about building in silence for loud results. Maybe that's a bit of an early teaser for some sort of development or some sort of a product release, but that's pure speculation at this point of time, and this is not going to move the price. And then yesterday, obviously, we had some market volatility, but nothing really influencing XCN, and I'm not sure if I have the data on XCN right here, but I think no, unfortunately, I actually don't, which is unfortunate. I'll get it soon. But the correlation between XCN and the market also seems relatively low, so it really has to move on its own. And I briefly spoke about this yesterday, but the current situation for XCN very much reminds me of the price action XCN had right here, right? So here you can also see after January, and this by the way, this doesn't mean that I think we're going to get another huge rally as we did there, because there we obviously still did a 4x from this consolidation. But what you saw there as well, some very impressive volume coming in, then some short liquidations, some long liquidations, and then stability with very low volume. And that is exactly what is happening right now. Yesterday we actually did have some volatility, liquidating some early shorters, I'd call them, right here, and then we had some more up and down, some whipsaw price action right here, but ultimately the volume is decreasing to very low, very low amounts, almost back to the same levels we were at the beginning of April, when the price was still very bearish. So that means that we're going to get some sort of a very violent move again soon. The big question for us, though, and that's what we talked about yesterday as well, which one of those two directions seems most likely? What I told you yesterday is that I thought it was most likely that we're going to get that we would get some sort of a bearish move, because what you saw is that a lot of leveraged longs were being opened. And today, that's slightly different. You can see right here, yeah, I mean, the longs were also liquidated, by the way, because you can see yesterday afternoon, quite a lot of longs were opened, and those were definitely pushed out. And then the shorts were closed again, but now you can see that the open interest is going up quite sustainably, and that started with longs, but then basically from here, in the last 2 hours or so, it's mostly been shorts. So that, in combination with this pattern in the past, which in the past this pattern almost always broke out to get a consolidation after a rally like this. Today I'm slightly leaning towards a bullish breakout, and yesterday, I mean, look, with a coin like XCN, I spoke about this yesterday as well, so those of you who watched the video yesterday, this might get boring. I'm sorry, but I have to say it. With a coin like XCN, you should be prepared for both scenarios. It's a coin that moves very erratically. It's difficult to predict at times. So therefore, at this point of time, I have a slight bias towards expecting a bullish breakout right here, which would be above that level right here at 2.15 and 2.1 cents. And then from there to move back into the previous targets of 2.5 and 2.55. I have a slight bullish bias of that, but like I said, I mean, we still do need to get some sort of a strong breakout of 2.15 with a lot of volume and an actual retest, which we did not get yesterday, for example, and we barely broke the main resistance as well, so didn't really count as a breakout. So this is my bias for now, slightly. I'll definitely keep you updated on this if any major moves happen. Like I said, let me know if you still prefer these daily updates compared to just updating you when things happen. But that's it for now. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.